Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 28th through October 10th. September 28th through October 2nd. This is what we're forecasting. We have a ridge here over the northeast Pacific, and we also have a ridge here with above normal heights along the east coast, and we have this trough that sinks southward into the plains. Temperatures are forecast to be below normal across the northern and central plains as cold polar air is transported southward into the north central states. Anomalies of more than 20 degrees will be possible. Now also during this period, we're also expecting widespread precipitation across this region here into the Great Lakes. So we're going to look at the models here. This is the I don't want this. This is the GFS. This is European. No, this is GFS. And we're going to go here through the period. It's not particularly heavy, but you can see it. We go to Friday. But it's widespread. And then we look at the European. Here's a few areas heavier rainfall. And then we look at the surface. This is the surface map, and we're going to go through here. You're going to see the 540 line. It'll be the blue line that'll come down here. And what does that mean here? You can see it. That's the 540 line, and that will allow for some areas to have snow from the northern Rockies to the northern plains. October 1st to the 5th. Here we are at the 5th. The pattern doesn't change very much. We still have our ridge here that kind of drifts northward. We also have above normal heights here. We still have our trough across the region here. Models are in pretty good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this area here. And a forecast anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast for this region here, with forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for most of the west. The probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%, and then we have above normal precipitation here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 45 to 55%. Taking a look at the period for October 6th to the 10th. The models are indicating some differences. GFS and its ensembles are still forecasting a trough here in the west with a ridge in the east. We still have strong positive height anomalies here, although this European ensembles has a trough now over eastern Canada, east central Canada into the northeast, and our ridge down here. But the other models are less amplified, so I think it'll be, as a compromise, I think it'll be something more like this. But we have a little tendency for a trough, so for this forecast period, I'm forecasting still above normal temperatures for much of this region here, from the southern Mid-Atlantic and the southeast. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 6 to 12 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperature, or near to below across the northeast due to the influence of a trough. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation west of the divide. Probability of occurrence is a little higher than the previous period, or a little lower, kind of like a compromise there, 47%. And then we have above normal precipitation for much of this region. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 28th through October 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.